In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Google Calendar. If you've moved, you're traveling, or you collaborate across regions, setting the correct time zone ensures your events show at the right local time and prevents missed meetings. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing in to the account you use for your events. Once your calendar loads, look toward the top right of the page for the gear-shaped icon. That's your settings menu. Click it to open a small drop-down. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where you can control how your calendar behaves and displays information. On the left side, you'll see a list of sections. Under the general category, find and click Time Zone. This page is dedicated to how Google Calendar interprets your local time. You'll see your current primary time zone listed, along with options to change it. To update the time zone, click the drop-down for your primary time zone and select the region that matches where you are now. You can scroll to find your city or type to search for a location such as New York, London, or Sydney. Pick the one that accurately reflects your local time. Google Calendar automatically accounts for daylight saving time where applicable, so you don't need to adjust it seasonally. As soon as you choose a new time zone, your calendar reinterprets the timing of events to match your local view. For example, a meeting set for 3 p.m. in one time zone will display at the correct equivalent time in your new zone. This doesn't change the actual event for other attendees. It only updates how it appears to you. All-day events remain all day, and recurring events continue on their set pattern, just displayed at the proper local times. While you're on this page, it can be helpful to know that Google Calendar also supports a secondary time zone and a world clock. These options are great if you regularly work with people in another region and want a quick reference without doing mental math. There's also a setting to prompt you to update your time zone when Google detects you've moved, which can be handy when traveling. When you're done, return to your calendar view and scan a few upcoming events to make sure the times look right. If anything seems off, double check that you selected the correct region and city. That's it. You've successfully changed your time zone in Google Calendar, and your events will now display at the correct local time.